The adventure industry is evolving on many levels. First off, our industry has grown from 2009 from 89 billion US, excluding international departures from Asia, to over 700 billion today. So it's significant growth. And this is occurring while the global tourism industry is moving from 2 billion international travelers to 3 billion within the next 10 years. So what that does is it puts a lot more pressure on the resources. It influences culture and the environment. The ATTA and our global organization spends a lot of time trying to educate the entire tourism value or supply chain to help the trade become better, more sustainable, and to help travelers also become more responsible travelers. The outdoor gear brands globally are becoming more and more aware of the need to intersect with adventure tourism. So years ago, adventure tourism was more of a niche category, and adventure gear companies kind of viewed it as that and didn't dedicate a lot of time and energy toward it. What's happened since is it's become a very significant portion of the global tourism industry. So with that market growth and bigger numbers comes more attention from outdoor gear brands. Our adventure travel companies and our guides influence the gear purchasing decisions of adventure travelers all around the world. The outdoor gear industry and the adventure tourism industry, they're like sisters that were separated at birth, and we've been running along parallel paths. And now is an opportunity for these two industries to come together on many different levels, on helping travelers around the world have safer and more enhanced experiences when they travel. They're more comfortable when they're suited up with the right gear. They're safer. It also is an opportunity for adventure travel companies to work with outdoor gear brands in product development, in product testing, and in better serving the adventure traveler. They can point to the gear brands that their travelers should be using. So both of these industries have a chance not only to serve the product needs and expectations, but also to work together on conservation efforts and on efforts to protect people around the world. The outdoor gear industry and the adventure tourism industry must be far more progressive than any other industry on the planet. We must look at where we're sourcing materials from in the manufacture of product. How are we sourcing humans and or equipment to make that? It's got to be fair trade. We are in an era where now owning gear and just purchasing without an end is starting to slow down. And now we have an opportunity to work together to shift consumer opinions more towards sustainable product. Our adventure travel companies around the world, 97%, we just did this study in May, 97% of the tour operators expect the gear and apparel used in adventure travel to be sustainably sourced, sustainably manufactured, and so on. So our industry will put more pressure on the outdoor gear industry, and it's changing.